This is one of our guest analysts. It's Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, thanks for joining the show. My mouth is dry from rattling off all those prices. Anything stick out at you?
Well, the fact that corn and beans are kind of a stick in the mud today is definitely catching our eye. There's a lot of outside action going on. We've seen crude oil in about a $5 range. We've seen stocks flying all over the place. The Dow right now just shy of 1,000 points lower on the day, and corn and beans just kind of stuck near that unchanged level. And we've got wheat rallying on the back of some news from India yesterday, which is giving us some follow through. Wheat, I think, is probably the most surprising one. I kind of counted it out here over the last several weeks, thinking that we wouldn't be able to get back out above that $11 handle, but here we are. And a conviction closeout above $11 could potentially take us back to those April highs at 1150. At that point, it's going to be a bit of an inflection point, because if the market's able to chew through 1150 with some conviction, there's really not a whole lot in the way till those contract highs 1278. So I thought wheat was a dead duck over the last month and a half, but coming back to life here on some headlines from India over the last 24 hours.
Yeah, and that one kind of needed it, if anything. And it's interesting to see how everything else is reacting, say, from, I don't know, yesterday about this time till right now. We've got, like you said, that Dow is all over the place, and now it's down over 1,000 points. I just checked as you were talking. It'll be interesting to see how that affects things, because we could start to see some money move around a little bit when things start to recorrect, because it looks as though these interest rates are going to be on a march higher.